Hey guys, Raymond from Bulldog, and today we're going to be showing you 3 awesome foam guns as well as 4 different Glanzlab detailing products. Stay tuned while we walk you through each one. So we've got 3 different ranges. We've got the 2-in-1, which clips straight onto your hose pipe. We've got the foam gun, which is used with air, and we've got the professional cannon, which is used on a pressure washer. So we'll start off with the Avalanche Extreme Snow Foam. This comes in 2 different variants, a concentrate and a ready to use. Now we're going to introduce you to our Glanzlab glass cleaning range. Starting with our No Streak Premium Glass Cleaner. This is for all your general glass cleaning purposes and streak removal. It comes in 2 different variants, a concentrate and a ready to use. Moving on to our Dissolve water spot remover. This is a general water spot remover such as borehole water and rainwater, which has industrial fallout and creates the little watermarks on your paint. And lastly, we have the windshield cleaner. This gets put directly into the water bottle and sprayed directly onto your windshield. Stay tuned for more exciting content on the Glanzlab range. See you next time.